Oh baba siyacela siqale sibheme-ke namuhla. Uzungangilahli. Yeah. Yazi Sugar Sibheme United. Wayazi lutho mfana. Yabo ngisadlala ibhola. Khona i-team lapha ngasekhaya ethi Sugar Sibheme. Into esasiyibhema dawu yentsango. Hayi Hey, yetshela. Awuzi lutho. One, two. Hey, 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Hey, ngam. Uyidlala ngqondo. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hey, 1. Shot. 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. 1. Hey, 2. Ha. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ha, boy. Ufikile my dad umzeke. Fikile umzeke. Fikile my dad umzeke. Fikile Fikile my umzeke. Fikile my dad. My dali wami sewangilahla. Wadla imali yabo umzeke. Tuzunko umzeke. Wadla imali yabo watuzunko keni. Fikile my dad umzeke. Fikile. Ha boy. How's lutho right? How's Way my man. Yeah, boy. All right. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Yo. My dali wami sewangilahla. Wadla imali yami.
Okay, kanti angikhulumi naye umkhulu owasenini. Angikhulumi naye.
Oh, Jehovah. Yeah. Oh, Lord. It's oh, the wrong. Yo, all right, yebo kunjalo. You know when people think they're clever, ne? Must show them what see kanjani. Show them how clever you are. I wanna learn. I'm that character. I'll fucking put you to the fucking dusters. Injalo nje. We're not friends, bro. So, futhi makliwa kuyaliwa. Kodwa kufofayo, kodwa ngeke kube yimina. Injalo nje. You must know your story, my friend. There will always be chances. There will always be people who think they can get answers from you. Bafike basuke la basuka khona beze kwena bakubuze into ehlulwa uyahluleka lenja bacansi wena uzobaphendula. Fika kumina zokukhomba emsamo wena angidakelwa mina. Hayi mkhulu mina nginesithunya ngenzeni pho mina ngidize? Ngidize yini na ngidize? I don't give a fuck. Hayi mina mkhulu ngayenza lento kodwa manje ehluphekeli fuck you bra. Into zama ukuyisho zama ukusho ukuthi uyelapha ya kwangenzeka and now you're hoping to get a free ride. You come to me, I'll fucking send you to the cleaners, boy. This is not a game. This is people's lives. It's not a fucking game here. It's people's lives. And I will deal with you. Injalo nje, IJ. Yeah. There are people here. abahluphekile wangempela. You don't tell me ukuthi wena uhluphekile. Abakithi abazotshela mina ukuthi wena uhluphekile. Kanti yini ukuhlola? Kanti yini ukuhlola? Ukulalela lento eshiyo lo? Hayi mina ngolokuzwa indlebe. Hayi mangeza okay indlebe yakho. Yedala ukuthi wena fuck you man. Fuck you. Yeah, if you haven't woken up by now, you've done 10 shows. I've spoken to close to 20, 30 people per show, my friend. Do the maths. If you're clever, you should have seen that by now. We've done 10 shows and we're averaging 25 people per show. That means I've spoken to 250 people in less than a week. So, Umona, aside, Umona. Here's a learned. Hey, unjani weMarcos? Oh, Jova.
Hey, good morning, mkhulu.
Hey, wow. After good dawn, Jova. My God, how?
Liyaphila kodwa mkhulu.
Yeah, I'm speaking to you with the psychosis of the knowledge created by those from the respiratory
Of course.
the anatomy of the physical beings of those that have a lack or an overflow of water in the physical system, with the lack of magnesium and sodium in the physical body.
Yes, they must put an IV line to those ones because now
exactly, and through the IV line we look at the lack of the of transparency within the calcium within the bones of the
Ngiyakubonga mkhulu. Hey, zakhawuleza ndikushiye namhlanje ufuna ukufunda kodwa mayihlala.
Hayi, yabona manje I changed the rules. We changed the rules. Umuntu ongenayo, you put a video, we see who you are. Yabo, you must face them. Ayikho into abayisaba njengokubonakala. So, siyabonakala ke, otherwise don't waste my time. Injalo nje le ndaba.
Umuntu ongenayo ufaka
and waqala utshela indaba ze story uthi camera fucking discharge out. Akuncengile. Kunengane zabantu that really need the help here. I don't have to do this. I don't fucking want to if I don't want to. Injalo nje. Ngiyayibona lona.
Hayi ndiyawuva.
Oh, it is what it is.
Yaba kakhulu.
Injalo. If you don't show yourself, I'm sorry, I'm busy, ne? Yeah, we're busy. We'll speak to those that want to show themselves. Ayikho into abayisaba njengokubonakala nabantu. Ayikho into abayisaba njengaleyo nto. Because they have to go and report lapha kwi-secret society. They have to fucking go and report. I spoke to that mkhulu, ngambuza le mbuzo nithe ngimbuze yona wathi.
You remember one of the shows that we did? There is another one. I think it was the last one that I was into. There was someone who was sent there and they thought.
Ngesikhathi ngize ngimfoka mina ungangijwayeli indaba yengqusi. Izimpilo zabantu lezi endlela. And if you want to try funny business, I will deal with you. Ngimsabi mthakathi mina ngimsabi. Angisabi.
Mhlawumbe ahambe ezixela bangabonwanga but nami ndazibonela ndaqonda wa. Hayi.
Yeah, after we exposed ukuthi siyambona, he didn't know what to say. He didn't know what to say because they are not used to it. They are not used to somebody seeing right through them. They don't know and they got no clue. They're fascinated about it, but they know these people, they think they are studying. Why do you think Gulman Abanya gets me humble tata lumotilo? You think I don't know the writing? Come on, man. It will not work. It will not work. Go back kubhekene nabo. The message was not for them. Bayithatha umkhulu utheni lo muntu uhlushwa yiphi ube nje athi ngithathe lo muthi. Awuthatha ngeke kukusebenzele umlayeza kuno wakho. Full stop.
Because what they do
Full stop.
now ukuthi
This is not a common practice
umuntu
here.
uchecka umuntu ufika zomamela uba mhlambe ukuthi umuntu nesithunywa uphuphane umuntu nesithunywa akazi ukuthi it's not about ukuthi lo muntu uphuphane, it's not about ukuthi lo muntu ubonane, but it's about into endiyibona emoyeni. This
Hallelujah.
is purely spirit, it's purely spiritual, it's not something efuneka lithi xa ngicela amaphupho lithi vele umuntu onesithunywa uphupha into ethile. No, akukho njalo. Umzekelo ulukhanya akaphupha ulukhanya. Lukhanya does not dream. Lukhanya does not dream, for example.
Usiphamandla
I'm going to say it to Lukhanya.
Or
What are you going to say to Lukhanya? Because Lukhanya does not dream.
Nomubani. Exactly. The biggest problem yabantu abantu
Uzothi Lukhanya kanawo umoya.
Now they want to replicate everything. Yonke into want to replicate. You will never replicate what I'm saying to this champion, because what I'm saying to this champion is a message that's coming from me and those that I work with for that particular person. Bese when you chat, athi sifake lo muthi ebese ingasebenzi leyo nto ubhedisela ingane yabantu izinto zayo.
That's why even
not understanding ukuthi wenzakalani.
You don't
It's because we are
generalize.
so
That's why
used to
even
copying. We are so used to it's common practice. It's not common practice. That means you have no fucking clue ukuthi yini umsamo.
Yes, that's
That
why
means you've got no
we
clue.
don't generalize. If
You've got no
umuntu
clue.
ozocela iphupho, you don't say iphupho xa uphupha abantwana belela, you've got amanono. Xa usiva abantwana belela, you've got. You don't generalize. Iphupho you don't generalize because
That
you don't. There's nothing that you generalize. You do not generalize. You don't do that.
That's the problem. Welcome to South Africa. South Africa is a movie, my friend. Emzansi, yabo mafuna uhleke. Mina ngingena la TikTok ngihleke ngize ngilale. Achaza into umuntu omoya ngithi wathi ngeke ngilalele namhlanje. Ngithi we ageja. Ngihleke ngithi mina yo Jova. Leyo ngane yabantu. Ngisho ukuthi yo ngeke ukuthi ungenawo umsamo bese uzothi into umsamo namanga. Ngeke ukuthi wena uhambile wazingcolisa wathatha izinto wayifaka emzimbeni wakho bese kuba wena futhi ozothi wena uzosigeza unamanga. Namanga. You're lying. Manga. Angeke uzube nelungelo lokusigeza uwena ongcolisile. Where's the logic there? Ufikile wangcolisa ogogo bakho bazokuflathela. Omkhulu bakho bazokuflathela. What the fuck makes you think ukuthi wena futhi uwe uthi hayi okay. Hayi say hey mkhulu, hey gogo. Lungileke sengisusile. Fuck you. How?
Problem is that umuntu uyithatha as if ama-ancestors uyawa-control noma ama-ancestors should listen to them. One of the things that I notice ukuthi as abantu abasaphilayo we do not understand ngabantu abangasekho is that people think that ancestors serve us.
It's not.
You think that our ancestors are here to serve you. That's why umuntu aze abhombe, umuntu ade abhombe alibhombise angcolisa abantu abadala athi uthene abantu benganiki imali why bengayenza thina. You think they are here to serve you.
Ake ngizibuze wena ufuna imali kodwa mangingena la kumnombo wakho alikho nanekho ehleli lodwa lalinesibaya elalinothile isibaya esasinothile akukho nomuntu oyedwa ekhaya kini owake wanotha and ucabanga ukuthi uzoyifuna kubani leyo mali
Uzithatha.
izoyithatha kubani bayenzeni bayibhoshe bayithathephi bayibhoshe
Wele bengathi bazoseva.
hayibo
Yonke
into yakho yokujula kokolwazi nokujula kumsamo wakho ilapha emsamo wakho. Hayi uthi hayi ngifuna nginike imali. Talk shit man.
Omnye abhombisa abantu abadala athi abantu abadala bamlibele but angawabheka amaphutha akhe. One akamamela amaphupho akhe. Two ekugcineni ukuthi angamamela amaphupho akhe wakhupha abantwana. Three wabulala umuntu kodwa uthena abantu abadala. So our ancestors are not here to work for us, but we should work hand in hand with them. There is nothing about Zoisiza on a silver platter without you doing anything on this side. There is nothing like that. Ayikho into kanjalo. Make sure
yabona,
this side
it's because people have been
Salami.
sold dreams. That is why labantu laba baphuma kulamazwe bayohlezi bebarobha. Bayohlezi benirobha labantu baphuma kulemazwe because they sell you a dream ukuthi uzovuka ekuseni usuwazi yonke into. Uzovuka ekuseni wena usu nani. They are giving you a spirit. They are giving you a fucking spirit that comes with demands. That's why kumele bayi-install lento kuwena. This is why kumele bayi-install lento. Uthaba wenze these rituals. There's these sacrificial rituals. It's not a ritual is sacrificial. A ritual is righteous, my friend. A ritual is supposed to be righteous. Okusho ukuthi kufanele ungabe uma sizowenza into enemfuyo la ekhaya siyithatha la esibayeni sethu. Hamba mfana, ufika ukhethe lapha la mfana, ufika ukhethe ubuye nenkomo mfana noma nembuzi mfana, uze nayo imbuzi la mfana, sishisele imbebe njengomndeni la mfana, la esibayeni sethu. Ebese siyenza yonke into mfana la ngaphakathi njengondlela yomthetho wakuleli khaya. Manje anjani lama rituals enziwa le egangeni, anjani lawa enziwa le endaweni ethizeni le far away from ekhaya kini, far away from esibayeni sakini ezingazange shisela impepha. We're not stupid, man. How fucking lie to us la usidakelo. We're not fucking stupid. Hayibo. It is what it is. Abantu abaningi vele bazingcolisile. It's a fact. It's a fact. And if you're not willing to have that conversation, mina anginazo isikhathi sokukhuluma nawe mina. Mina ngiyayitshela ke mina ke anginaso leso sikhathi. I don't care. See what I mean? Because it's not a game here. This is not a fucking game. And people need to know that. Must know my story. You must know the story, bro. Because mina ngizokubuza ngeke ngikuyeke. Ngizokubuza mina ukuthi manje le nto yenze lapha yona ithi1. Uthi hayi ekhaya hayi kunjani. Ngiphinde ngibuye kuyona. Ngithi wangidakelwa wena. Le nto. I mean, I don't have time for games, mina, bro. I don't have time for games, mina. I don't ask I mean, straight talk. It builds no friendship, ne? Straight talk. Cause we're at a time where you need to engage with what is yours. If you're coming with a game, hey, bro, I mean, I don't waste my time, my face. I'm busy, bro. I'm extremely busy. I'm very busy. That really need the help, that honestly need the help, and those are the children that we will give the help to. Hayi wena othunywe
what abantu abahambe ngonyansekile indlela went through, and then you think that you are going to go through this. Now I was doing what? I was doing my grade 12 when I found out that I saw a snake every day. I was working with a snake every day. Lenyoka ibona ndim ndodwa ndenbaleke ngigijima. And then when I think you're just going to go in a particular cave, ungayenzi kokuyona in a particular cave
with a specific animal, with a fucking sheep. Uyongitshela ngembuzi. Imbuzi namandla ayaba namandla nini imbuzi? Ngoba imbuzi has always been used for sacrifices. Your question should be, why is imbuzi used for sacrifices? Why? Ask that question. Instead,
why igazi? Why uzohlanjwa negazi?
Question.
Negazi. Damn it.
Umbuzo lo mele ubuze emsamo wakho lo. Yabona. Ungitshela ngembuzi. Hey mina ungangidakelwa wena. How? Makos. People don't even know the reason why imbuzi is used. Why imbuzi kokote msamo? Why? Just because it's nje meh kuphela. Bese sijana zona nazo. That's all. Manje, okay, let's use that concept. Uzubona abantu bayidom kanjani. Let's use that very same concept. Yokuthi nayo imbuzi. Sesiyibikileke kwabadala. Ebese ke yenza ke into kuma kunento ekumele yenziwe imbuzi lapha empepheni. Iyenzeke leyo nto eyenzayo ke leyo mbuzi ke leyo. Mase yenzile leyo nto ebese nihamba niyohlinza. Mani ihlinza imbuzi nomthetho. Bese ihlinza lapha bese yasika ithi nazo-ke mfana. Ubeka mfana. Ihlinza mfana. Yabo. Okay, sure, good shot. Then we use that same concept. Lena ke lengazange ngishiselwe impepho yona ezobulawa lapha ehlathini esigangeni ijiki izothelwa igazi layo phezukwayo. What about that one?
Ngiyiphi imimoya ebusisileyo?
Ngqi. Angithi we want to have that conversation. Let's have it. Ngqi. Hayi mkhulu. Usiveza izinqa. Yebo sisiveza izinqa. How? Yebo, we're going to fucking go there. Yes.
Ekala abantu ba request mkhulu kodwa bavula amakamera.
Hayi umuntu kumele avule ikamera mkhulu otherwise mina
Last time wasifika. Wajabulwanga.
Vula ikamera nje otherwise discharge. Angazi leso sikhathi. Discharge. Nasikhathi ukudlala la mina. Yabo. No, it is what it is. People get entitled. They think ukuthi uyabakweleta. Akekho umuntu okukweletayo. No one owes you fuck all.
That's why
no one owes you answers.
That's why
no one owes you knowledge. No one owes you practices. No one fucking owes you ukuthi ilokhu lashwa kanjani uyokubuza kini. Habi.
Umuntu afika ngokukhunga nokukhunga afika azobuza izinto.
Azokhuluma amasimba. Ufike yazi ngithi mina if you get the opportunity uma unayo inhlanhla ukuthi ungene in a public space ebese uyinikwa ithuba lokuthi uhutshelwe ngoba phela ukuhuba uhutshelwe ihubo labani lakini baba uhutshelwe leli hubo ngoba phela suke kuyihubo thina silizwayo masilizwe ihubo silihube nawe ebese siyayidikida nawe usuku usenhlanhleni inhlanhle engandele bani leyo then usethi gijime wena uhambe kulamthakathi wakho lapha hey ngikhulume nomkhulu Bhodloza phakathi uthele umkhulu kunje hayi okay should masho nje umkhulu should asenzeni kanje niyenze lento imosheke ubuye usiqhamusa uzongibhalela hey mkhulu wangihlolela ngo2021 maye mina ungazongidakelwa mina mina azokutshela straight mina ungangidakelwa hawu ake sikhulumeke since 2021 and then hayi manje mkhulu hey fusek wena how ngamanye amazwi you're basically telling me ukuthi I took what you said I went somewhere else it did not work I'm coming back to you please manje fix it but I don't want to pay you I paid that guy hey mina I will fucking triple charge you I'll charge the living daylights out of you for that Fanam I'll fucking triple charge you. We're not friends now. Hey, mina mawudelela bakithi. Mina ngizokudelela mfana. Blind. That's what it is. It's because you need to know who you are. Stand for who you are. Vele bazothumela abantu. We know that. Vele bazothumela abantu bazama ukuthi bakustadishe. We fucking know that. Vele bazotshela abafazi babo ingane zabo mingena wena ubuze lokho. We know that, man. Come on. You can't get into the game and not know the tricks and the trades of the game. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yabo. Hey, omunye la ngihlalayo wathwasa ngembuzi ejongiwe ejoliji what ejonjiwe awukahle wena ninendaba uyithatha indaba enzima kanje wena ninendaba ongenayo ungena ngevideo otherwise discharge akingeni le ndaba le discharge
kodwa luleka
akadeleli lokho
Ngenzeni ngatholuleka.
Hayi ngeke video gogo otherwise ngiyakudischarge. Discharge. Hayi kulesi sibhedlela nje ongayivezi, hayi discharge. Hayi ungafa.
Ayenzeki nje ivideo.
Phuma uphinde ungene.
Hayi ke discharge gogo sure.
Phinde ungene.
Mamela next time ke gogo next. Discharge. Yeah, discharge. Yeah. Nale mithela ekhaya iphumi i-patient singayiboni. Injalo nje igithi. Lesi sibhedlela lesi sinemthetho. Yeah. It is what it is. Yabo. It is what it is. Yabo. Yebo senibona. Hayi njalo nje bafethu. No, like seriously. Lelo kunjani le? Ini wanje ibizwa ngani? Hey sengikhohle medical council. Ithini medical council lapha? Leli council le medical council ifuna ukwazi ngoba nodokotela ukuze sibanike i-practice number a practitioner number kumele ahambe ngomthetho. Otherwise we revoke the license.
Kuyavela ukuthi
asinaso leso sikhathi.
Xa ngabe ungena live kuyavela ukuthi do you want to open a camera naba ufona?
Don't explain into engekho la. Akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi i-camera yenziwa kanjani. We're not stupid here. Zona ingane la. How? Zona ingane la. Bungafuna ungena uyabona when I'm not requesting ukuthi umuntu ayiveze, you know how many people but ama request basaba ukuyiveza. How? Basaba ukuyiveza. How? That means abantu abayimisele ngokuthi ndedane. Okay, nathi siyimisele. How? Hayi ungafa. Mina nginaso leso sikhathi. Yebo vela ngevideo mkhulu.
Yebo mkhulu.
Yebo kunjani Nkosi?
Hayi siyaphila unjani?
Hayi kwahlula imbuzi sila nommese. Haw. Enjani kanti le nyama le edliwa abafazi? Yeah. Hamba kahle ke Nkosi yami.
Hayi noko siyaceka khona kunjani?
Hayi siphilile mhlobami. Hawo sisekoloni. Hayi ake ngidedele wasekoloni athethe nawe. Nangu pha. Awuthethe nomkhaya wakho. Awuthethe nomkhaya wakho mhlobami.
Ngowaphi ekoloni?
Wasekoloni umthembu lo.
Limpondo, Limpondo.
Limpondo, yo. Yatitanisa.
Kweyiphi idorobho?
Niyaphila tata.
Siyaphila khona kunjani?
Kuyaphileka baba Kontimbi. Sifukile. It's not look the same. So ngapha eMbizana. So ngapha eMbizana.
Nijika pha emagusheni.
Xa uqhama ngiyacala sijika pha emagusheni singena ngomagusheni lo.
Ngiyazibona ezandawo. Mina ngapha ecofa imvaba.
La duze lamantu ecofa imvaba ngikwazi kahle. Cha manihamba noma nihamba ngeIslandani qhamukela pha. Ngihamba ngithi as if ngiyahamba ngiya Indwe. Ngithi ngidlula pha ecofa imvaba.
Hayi ndilapha mina ecofa imvaba.
Ewe. Hayi ake ngikuyeke uthethe nomhlobo nomkhaya wakho mina ngizasithulela nje kwangoku. Hayi umhlobana
lana into endiyibonayo ewayo. Ndibona indlu ewayo, ndibona umzi ongavukiyo, ndibona ukulahlekelwa ngumsebenzi, ndibona umzi ongavukiyo, ndibona xa ndihamba ndiyibheka indaba yakho bawami ndiyijongisisa apha emweni, ndibona uba ukhona even ingxabano ekhona efamilini kodwa le ngxabano ningayiqondi uba ingxabano kanye esitema niyayiqonda uba ningabantu abasoloko bexabana but xa ningathi nijongiswa siyoba kuthini nisoloko nixabana aniyifumani uba yintoni edala nisoloko ningabantu abanje yayiqaphela. But at the same time into ndigqamelayo uba umzi uyawo noba ndide ndame ndiyobona nendlu elibhodlo noba nendlu ewayo ngoba ndiyibona le ndlu uba ayikho ngeziteni ezitena ezizodaka kodwa xa ndiyibheka le ndlu lena ayizange ithi gqike noba ingathi yindlu eyayeyawa ndifuna ukuthi andiyiboni kahle uba yayeyawa noba into engazange igqike le ndlu ndibona ukuphelwa ngumsebenzi xa ndihamba ndibheka ndihamba ndiyobona umeqo okhuphuka ngenyawo bengathuza ngapha ngaseziqulubeni bengathi iyaqina phaa emadolweni ndihamba xa ndiyijonga le ndaba bengathi ndihamba ndiyobheka even intloko efika ibe ngathi ifika ibe ngathi intambo noba ifuna uba ngathi intambo ibe ngathi ithi intambo yabo ifika ibe ngathi intambo like a belt, you understand?
Yeah.
Sure. So xa namandamenti into oyibheka indaba okay cela uvumela umoya sesaqhubeka.
Yeah.
Mkhulu ndiyeva indaba yengxabano ikhona kakhulu
Yay.
nomzo
Okay.
ongekaziswa
Ithi ngimlekelele mhloba. Yabona tata into ayithethayo uthatha intetho yokuba pha ekhaya zininzi izingxaki, yes. Awukho umzungu nazi izingxaki. Jonga ingxaki ekhona kakhulu evusa ulaka kwabantu ilento yekhaya number 1. Ezinye zezinto futhi manje ngithi ngiyezwa ngihamba ngize ngithethe ngezinto zokuba omunye umuntu afuna ukuba ndimi omdala mina emele amamele pha xa sithetha. Ngisho noma sihlangene singumndeni mina kumele ngabe ngenza lokhu hayi kube wena wenza lokhu nalokhu. Lento idala ngisho nanengxabana nokuthi ibange ngisho nanomsindo kwabantu abalele ubuthongo. Ngoba lento ikuyinto egcina siphazamisa ngisho nezinto zomsebenzi enzenzayo. Ngoba ekhuluma ngesimo sento engahamba iziyogibela ngisho ngaphezulu kwendlu uqobolweni ngoba kukhona nezinto ezihamba khona lapha ekhaya kini ekuyizona izinto eziba isiphazamiso ngaphezulu kwezinto eziyikhaya lakho ngoba kuyinto eyayikhandiwe ngaphezulu kwalento ekuthiwa ubugqwirha ubuthakathi. Ngento ekuyiyona kahle edala ukuthi kube khona nezingxaki ekhaya uqobo lwakhona.
ekhaya not apha kwami.
Yeah.
Ayi kunzima.
Wait. Okay. Hayi, ungixolele wemakhosi ngisengingene elimini othi ngisijulele. Yo. Athi ngisijulele sengingena olimini.
Sibheke indaba yakho kodwa sambe bengathi ngawukhuza even umuntu engathi ngumuntu lona endifuna ukuthi ngumuntu ozisondeza kuni ekhaya emzini wakho ngokodwa lo muntu lona akungumuntu ngathi ngumuntu endifuna ukuthi nihlobene naye ngokwazana ukuthi ngosibongo ufana oba ngathi mhlawumbe nihlobene nomkhulu ngumuntu obiza isibongo esifuna ukufana nesekhaya noba isibongo esifana nesekhaya ngumuntu ohamba bafuna ukuligqibela ikhaya lakho oyi result even yokuphelelwa komsebenzi wakho kube ngathi umsebenzi wakho uyaphela noba kube ngathi ngumuntu ongafumana umsebenzi kodwa xa ngihamba nami ndoyibheka indaba kahle umuntu kutheni bengamlweli abantu bakwabo kutheni bengathi indaba umsebenzi ayilungi nyani bengathi lo muntu lona xa ngabe ufuna umsebenzi angahamba ayocela emva ekhaya lapha asuka khona ngoba nengxabano ekhona ingxabano ekhona emva ekhaya siyeke lokuxabana wena nomkakho tata kodwa sambe soyibheka emva lokuxabana wena abantu bakuni nami ndiyobheka even ukuthi le ngxaki yokuxabana yingxaki ibikade ikhona ekhayeni kwakudala xa ngaba ilungiswa ingxaki yabantu uyolungiswa even emathongweni noba ebantwini abangasekho because akuyo ngxaki yokuxabana kwenu nisaphilayo kuphela but yinto efuna yokwenziwa uxolo even ebantwini abasula benjani bexabana
Tshwala bekhaya.
Understand? That is why xa ngaba nixabana kube ngathi nikhuzeki because it's also influenced by abantu abangasekho. Do you understand me? That is why we need That is why we need indaba yokuthi xa ngaba niyilungisa lento kufeka usilo utyola bekhaya then kuyolungiswa even ngaphansi kuyoxoliswa aba bangasekhoyo abantu because balala bengaxolelananga then nani bese niyaxolelana ngokwendlela yakho kuyi. You understand?
Yeah. Hayi iyavakala kakhulu. Ikhe yavela loo nto leyo phaa ekhaya uba khona iingxaki ezinjalo. Nezi bezithethwa umkhulu uDabula Mafu indaba zobugqwirha kwavela into yobana ikhona into ekhoyo phaa ekhaya yafakwa ngumntu. Manje akabikho nto incedayo for uyikhupha loo nto leyo yafakwa ngumntu phayana.
Yabona tata kunento ewutshela abasekhaya emele niyenze pha. Yayiva loo nto. Xa ethetha ngalento ethetha ngento yokuba ukuhlambuluka kunomehluko khona into ekuthiwa ukuhlambuluka bese kuba khona into ekuthiwa ukuhlambulula
bese kuba khona ukuhlunga.
Zihlukile lezi zinto. Mangikhuluma ngokuhlambuluka ufika ubiza abantu umndeni bese ngithi
Yes.
badala ngicela ukuhlambuluka. Yazi ngahamba mina ngathatha into ethizeni ngenza into ethize uBrajo uswelekile because of me in ukuhlambuluka lokho. Bese kuba khona ukuhlambulula akufani mhlobani. Ukuhlambulula is a practice. It's a common practice done ngendlela yasekhaya kokwenu ngesigodi senu uba esigodini sangasekhaya uma sihlambulula izidalwa sisihlambulula ngalolu hlobo. Uma sihlambulula isimo sezinto zamacala okanye sihlambulula imimoya siyenza ngalolu hlobo. Two totally different practices.
Iyavakala.
Away. So yona nto ke athetha ngayo mhlobami.
Ingxabano yenu phekona ngendlela eyenza ngayo nitenisolene nangokuthakathi nangobugqirha between wena nosisibakho
Hayi P wena.
nideniyobizana ngamagqirha ngendlela enixabana.
Hayi P. Ukuzwile utata. Ha.
Hayi ndiyeva mkhulu.
Yeah.
Uthi ingxabano yayivele ikhona.
Kodwa mina sengathi ngihamba nami ndiyokhuza ivili umuntu otshate naye nobodela naye.
Hayi wena P.
Close.
Hayi.
Ngihamba nami ndiyokhuza ukuvana nabantu nobukusondela kakhulu ebantwini.
Yeah.
Ya. Hayi. Yeva nangoku lo ngxabano iyaqhuma apha.
Away. Jonga tata. Yabona mamele.
Akekho ngoku apha lo nkosikazi. And uyovana nabo nodadewethu. Bayafonelana but mina xa ndimfonela ndimfumana efonini.
Jonga tata. Kunabanye abantu la emhlabeni enza babeka ngaluphi uhlobo. Kunabantu tata kunabantu who bona themselves abanangxaki nokuthetha. Xa bethetha nabantu they become too open. Intetho izingenelele pha kwintetho yasekhaya. Abanye xa bethetha kuze kuphume ngisho nentetho yokuba thina ekamereni sinjani. Abanye they get too comfortable ukuba balibale ukuba xa ndithetha yobe nivuyile yobe ngimandi pha emoyeni ndathetha ngathi ndiza ndathetha ngathi ngakhipha into nezi secrets ezo nani yayibona. There are people that are like that. Yayiva ke lonto. So into azama ukuxelela yona is ukuba ungacaphuki. There are people that are just like that. Umama unjalo. Hayi kuba uthatha into esiyithetha pha ayoyithetha pha. No. It's nature, in nature yakhe. Umuntu unjalo qha.
Ngathi
Yayiva ke lonto. But thina as abantu abamnyama xa sichadayo, we do not advise each other the correct way. We don't go for proper counseling, proper advice. Yoba xa sichadayo mina nawe wena uwe lo ndim lo, we become one. Into ithetha ngami, it's still about you. Now into ithetha ngami, it's still about you because we are now one. Xa besijonga pha ethongweni abanjonga uba ngutata ngumama, basijonga as one family. Yayiva lonto. That is why uma kuphuma induku ayiphumi isho ngala kuphela, isho together. Yayiva ke lonto. Yeah. Right.
Hayi ndiyeva mkhulu ndiyeva. Hey ndisedabini mani kule nto ndisedabini apha.
Hayi akusiwena wedwa mhlobami. Baninzi abantu abachadileyo abanalo ngxaki.
ekhaya nilolilifa nabawo wawo.
Andiva mkhulu.
Nilolilifa ekhaya naxabana ngolu hlobo.
Hayi mna ndaphuma ekhaya ndabashiya nalo andifuni into ekhaya. Hayi ndaphuma ndabashiya nalo.
Hayi ngeke kusijama.
Batshiya nomsindo. Akawusandi umsindo tata. Tata akawufuni umsindo.
But nangose ndizimele ke ngoku ndiyaleqwa nje ndiyaleqwa yabona. Ya. Kodwa ke ndiyanyamezela because andifuni into enzayenze ndize ndizisole ngomso.
Yeah. Jonga tata. Kunento emele yenziwe phaya la ekhaya la endlini yakho, right? Into ade ethetha ngayo uMakhosi uthetha ngento yokuthi kunento eliyeza okumele wenzele yona. Leli yeza lezi kondithi ukuchela ngayo la kunento emele ufike uyichele uyikhiphe laphana endlini nento ngoba kunesimo sento kahle kahle emele ugeze ugqume uphalaze ngoba lento kumele iphume ngaphezulu iphume nangezansi. Alright, kunenye into ke futhi mhlobane ekuyinto ekumele ube ngathi ngaqhunyiswa phaya ekhaya, yabona. So uMakhosi mayethi kuwe lapha endlini kunento ehamba izungeza nani uqonde ukuba kunento ekumele iqhunyiswe, ixathi mayiqhunyiswa bese iyagxothwa phaya endlini.
Yeah.
Yayifake lonto. Ngoba iwari yakho ekushaya kakhulu ubugqwirha obufuni. Iwari yakho onayo kakhulu awufuni ukuthi wena uyaphangela uyazama uyanyamezela but you feel like something is pulling you behind. Iyona nto ongayifuni lonto at all.
Nyani. Hayi ke. Nyanisile lapho.
Alright. Hayi no anginanxaki ke dade no sizawuthetha va.
Ma inamba yakho uzayifumana apha kwibhayo ne?
Okay mhloba akunanxaki niphile njalo va.
Ikhona apha kwibhayo inamba ne?
Yes ikhona mhloba.
Ndizawutshekisha. Eka
Yeah ikhona ku WhatsApp. Aw. Phumile utata. Yo sekudischargeling. Okay, it's fine. Ikona laphana ithi iyavela laphana mhlobami. Awuthi ngiyicheke ngale phone le. Wandiva Makhosi?
Ndiyakuva mkhulu.
Hayi umuntu mayengena nje umuntu kulesi sibhedlela ungena ngevideo yakhe. Otherwise discharge. Injalo nje. Ikhona kwibhayo nayi ngiyayibona kulo munye TikTok lo. Ikhona kwibhayo mhlobami 0843635362. Yeah, ngena ngalo munye TikTok.
Sicela
TikTok apho.
I've reposted Bob Dogotella's
Yeah, it is for. Usisa ngaveli I discharge. Umuntu mayengaveli ngevideo discharge.
Video bot.
Yeah, discharge. Yeah. Yeah, ikhona ibhayo nayo information on the bio. It's there. Yeah, ikhona.
Polisi bot.
Polisi, ngena ngevideo. Mina ngiyakwazi kodwa uMakhosi akakwazi. Ngena ngevideo. Oh, that's why. Ma, 1 second. Ngathi nayiqoboza lapha eThekwini Makhosi.
Ubani mina ngigroove mina.
Nezivalo.
Mina nadala ngami indlela. Angigroove mina nadala nje.
Bayiqoboza. Why ngakutshela wena? Hayi uthi yamhluphi network hayi kulungile discharge.
Network.
Umuntu ongenayo ngena ngevideo. Asayingeni lonto. Hey Makhosi, ngena. Athi we Makhosi, I'm going to invite one of my Makhosis who's just like you.
Mfaka.
Athi ngimfake. Hey, ngena. Ngena squats. Nangu. Ma, where's he now? Hey chief, accept lapho. How? Scott. Accept chief, I'm trying to invite you here. Trying to invite you here. Or must I call you? So, Uguti, this is a champion. Who's like you, ne? But he's a Tswana version of you. Wena ungumXhosa. Wena ungumTswana. How, Lendon? Champ! Oh. I can see you, champ. I don't know how I invited him in. He man's on back. Champ! Hey, my champ, I don't know what I did, I mean. Hey, ma. Uzongena ungamjaha. I put him in, but yeah, it's a Tswana version of you, Chief. And let's speak to the Tswanas. Yeah, speak to the Tswanas. Yabona ayikho into emnandi njengokuthi when people come but bafike with the misconceptions, yabo. And then when you actually show them ukuthi healing is greater than that, and then people don't know what to say after that. Yabo. Yeah. Hey, champ.
Yebo mkhulu.
Hey, kunjani lapha? How's it?
Ngiyaphila unjani mkhulu?
Oh, angibaleka, eh? Angibaleka.
Mkhulu ngiphume ejimini mkhulu.
Oh, uphuma ejimini. Oh, abantu banjani abafazi lapha ejimini, eh?
Hayi.
Don't watching you.
Ngiphumile lapho mkhulu.
Huh? Remember I told you about somebody ofana nawe Patumkos. Meet him here now. All right? I'm not going to say his name now. Now he's here. Hey, champ. How are you?
Hey, niyaphila mkhulu.
Yebo njani mkhulu?
He's not look the same kahle. Sengisho ukuthi akufani.
Yeah, hayi.
Fani.
Yeah, kuhle.
Madoda ukuphi umkhulu ngokuhlala konje?
Ula useJozi phakathi. Yeah. Hey.
Hayi, ndiyamva wasemoyeni. Phakeme kakhulu umoya wakhe.
Uphakeme kakhulu umoya wale ndoda ungadideki. Yebo.
Problem ukuthi ucabanga kakhulu.
He doesn't have the answers yet. Yeah, the answers are there. But I understand just yet.
Uya confuse yabo. Ngathi even labo befika kuye bafika bakhulume le language la ngathi uzoba ngathi akayizwa yabo into ngisho manje angazi there is something that is it's like the body is not ready to yet be receptive because there is that fact, but there is that element of denial, that is some sort of denial or that questioning. Let me not say denial because he has agreed, but let me say questioning. Do you understand me? Because now ngifuna ukuhamba nami ndiyobheka even exesha buya ngalo ejimini kube ngathi ngihamba yedwa kule nto ahamba kube ngathi ezwa kube ngathi akakhuluma kodwa kube ngathi uzwa kube ngathi uhambe moyeni kube ngathi mina ngihamba ngivi hayi lento ngihamba nami ndoyidonsa even ukuthini athi mayilazive kube ngathi iyaculela kube ngathi khona ingoma ebizwa kodwa kube le ngoma ngayiva nje noba thina amazwi kube ngathi akova makabe kube ngathi akova ukuthi kwenzekala kodwa kuba
Ayiwe. Yeah.
Bengale ndaba yakhe ngihamba ndoyilanda mina ndoyilanda even ngokucela abantu bakwabo iindaba zawo abantu bengazazi iindaba zakwabo abantu iindaba zakwabo bengazazi nami ndabheka ukuxabana nabantu kwakhe hayi
Nkosi. Bayithatha.
yazi kodwa mkhulu mina ngihamba nami ndiyobheka even into bangathi iyashisa emqondo anami ngiyacela kube ngathi iyashisa kodwa kube ngathi iyasinda emqondo at the same time. I'm not talking about the shoulders now, I'm speaking about umqondo, the actual back of a person. Umhlane, that's what they say umhlane. Yeah, umkokotlo yawo ngomkokotlo ngabona into ebulela kayona mkhulu. So
he understands.
nokuzizwa ngathi dizi khehlela nokuzizwa ngathi dizi but ufika ungekho dizi kodwa kube ngathi they are like taking you at that time because mkhulu you are more of a spirit than you are a video like that.
This time.
Yeah. Yebo mkhulu, qonisile straight.
Yazi But Mkulu, there is this element of questioning, and Funoguti is an element of
Video,
denial,
video,
but it's an
Kehla,
element
otherwise
of
discharge.
questioning.
Video, Mikey, otherwise I'm discharging you,
Of
Chief.
course.
Discharge. Angcengile mina namuhla. Yeah.
Course. Mina ngalanda even uthi wena tafu umkhosi lujule kakhulu Mkulu.
Hayi le nkosi lena.
Lujule kakhulu kodwa
Yeah.
You see what I was telling you, ne? When I was with you, Scott. Ne? Hey, Scott. Jam.
I didn't get that.
Yeah, you see what I was telling you, Uti.
Is
There
it
are
my
also
network?
others. No, I can hear you, Chief. There are others just exactly like you. The very same thing that happens to you.
Yeah, Moria Gaban.
I can hear you, Mina. I can hear you, Chief. Yeah, but it's the very same thing that's happening to you. Wabona ukuthi is happening to someone else. And when it happens to you, because when you have a lack of understanding ukuthi what's happening kanjani, you sometimes my messages you're missing them. Sometimes izinto you can't hear it properly because you are not where you're supposed to be. Wabona? But guess what?
Yeah.
You've got the experience of tapping into Umlozi. He does not just yet. Because I haven't given him that experience just yet. You see, so you've got a story to tell on Uguti when we go maskhuluma ngomango tubani. What am I talking about? You have a clue of what I'm engaging about. But
Yeah.
I'm happy this is happening because now it's also encouraging you to see Uguti Aibo. Because you guys are almost the same age, by the way. Serious. Almost the same age, almost the same what. But yenule makhoseni wena uko ukwa. Wabona?
What's that mean?
And exactly. And you are not the same. It's two different entities, two different families. But it's a similar experience.
Yeah.
Wabona? Hey.
awu
Yabo.
madoda yena waphezulu abaselangeni yena waphezulu
You want to tell him about the experience? Yes, Scott.
Yomlozi mkhulu.
Hey.
Yebo mkhulu. Akunankinga mkhulu.
You can tell him, my man.
I'm listening. I'm always happy to learn. Me, I'm always open to learning.
What happens ucala akuhlole nje. Like akuhlole. Bese ke uyakuphakamela ke. Hayi. Khuluma inyoni, straight inyoni. You ask the question and then it answers back. Yeah, it was an amazing spirit. Bengicala ukuyibona into enjalo mina mkhulu. Bengimangela. I was even scared ukuthi hayibo. Where are the birds manje cause ay. Hey.
I wanna when I explain these things when I'm across ngisho ukuthi mina there are spirits akhona. There are things, and if you are not aligned nabantu bakini, they will not show themselves. If you are not aligned with them, they will not tell you who they are. You need to be aligned nabantu bakini in a manner yokuthi they tell you what to do. Because we need to get to that place where I'm just sitting with you, Angie, and if you've got whatever spirits nani, and then it would show itself. It has to present itself because usona or kubona labantu bagini, it's a moment of pride. It's a moment of pride. Yokuthi finally we get the opportunity yokuziveza ukuthi singobani. Yabona? Just like how Mzulu Makhosi makakhuluma, the more ekhuluma abantu bakubo bafuna ukuthatha over, he's losing speech. He can't talk.
Yeah,
His speech, he can't. He's losing speech. They are overwhelming the body. They are overwhelming the entity of his body and showing themselves through umntwana wabo.
Yeah.
See what I mean? And that is an experience you cannot steal from someone. It can
Never.
only happen to you if it is yours. Yabona? And
Yes.
hayi ukuthi-ke manje ngoba umakhosi mayekhuluma wenze kanjena nami sengifuna ukuba nje umakhosi nani. You
Ngifana
will not
naye.
be umakhosi.
Hayi.
Ngeke uze ubuyena. It's not going to happen. It's not. We need to engage. That is why I always say umuntu akenze njani akahube nobani nabantu bakubo. I always say the same thing. It's never changed. I always say it's buza kuphi emsamo wakho.
So,
See what I mean? Why? Because the more you knock on that door, someone is bound to open. And what I'm talking about is a very, very common dream to many people that have gifts from Abantu Bakubo. It's a very common dream, what I'm talking about. Very common. Because they have to introduce themselves to you. Yabona? You want to explain, escorts, kumakhosi, ukuthi what happens when the Inkanyamba has arisen? You want to tell him how you don't know what happens to your body.
Yeah.
Next thing you are sitting wherever you are sitting with whomever you are sitting with. You want
you
to
don't
just
listen, if you don't listen,
Yeah.
if usafuna amapiano.
Hey,
Yeah, I am. How you have a basic card?
see?
Yeah. You literally you will die and then ibhlungu like this experience angazi ukuthi ngiyachaza kanjani because udla amazinyo. The following morning I woke up and my teeth were not in. They were chowed. Yeah.
Yeah. So what he's talking about, lapha mhlobo Makos, he's talking about there's something I always talk about where Bangitsibina, when the communication happens, or when there's forced communication, and then there is preempt. So something that is told when you are told, okay, sesikon. Says yes. And then there's communication where our mameli sila.
Yeah.
You see, there's they find it. It's not the same. Where what he is talking about is where now they've come and they've engaged with you, but they've overwhelmed the body. They have taken over. We are here. When in the physical, ulele flat, bazokushaya, bakuthele ngamanzi, bakwenze ini, awuzwa fuck all. But where you are, ngokamoya, you are with them. This is an experience that doesn't just happen just for the fun of it. Yabo. So Mike Chela ngento lento mayenzeka kuye beyenzeka, and then he would wake up here, he's eaten basically his tongue, his feet, teeth, none. That's why ngisho ukuthi mina, if you're gonna come to me and ungitshela ukuthi okay 1 2 3 yeah, you are talking crap, because my seyenzeka lento kamoya, it's not planned. It happens when you least expect it. It happens when you least expect it, and it is a painful experience. Ngoba, it's something that you do not know. You don't
know how to respond.
meditate ukuthi sekuzoba kanje, ini kanje. No. You see, and that is where many folks get it wrong, because they come with the notion, nokuthi this is what I know, this is what I'm expecting, this is what is ganjan. Kanti ancestors are not the same
At all.
siphuma kwigodi ezingafani, sizalwa imnombo nembewu engafani. Once we understand that, you are 10 steps ahead. Once you get learned, you are 10 steps ahead, because that means you will understand ukuthi awukwazi ukuba nomona walo makhosi lo, awukwazi ukuba nomona walo gogo lo, awukwazi ukufisa ukuthi ukhuluma into ekhulunywa loya gogo loya. It's not your story. It is not your story to tell. Find your own story to tell. Yayizwa ke lonto. So that is what Umakhosi there is talking about. He's finding his feet. He's very now amandla unawo shem ngayi indaba yokudlala, but he's finding his feet, ne? He's finding his feet kakhulu. And this is not an easy experience. It's not indaba yokudlala la, indaba yokuganga nani. You see what I mean? Umuntu ongenayo nje uzongena ngevideo, otherwise ungena ngevideo at discharge. Don't play that game here. Yabo. Injalo nje.
Hayi.
Yeah, so yes. Video gogo, otherwise discharge. Gogo.
Ngiyavela manje mkhulu.
Gogo. Yebo ninjani wema?
Ngiyaphila njani mkhulu?
Kwahlula imbuzi sila nommese. Hawu. Hayi bongathi uyakhala nje mfethu, ukhalelani manje?
Angikhali mkhulu.
Nesho?
Yebo angikhali.
Hayi akukhala kulesi sibhedlela. Hey ngeke. Lesi sibhedlela. Makhosi, kuyakhala kulesi sibhedlela.
Hayi ngeke. Uzodischarge xikhala. Ukhalela. Gogo ushadile. Are you married?
Mkhulu?
Are you married?
Union.
Ngishada.
Uhlalisene.
Asijolela nje.
Cha.
Kanti what is up yini ekuhlanganisa nomshado noma nokuhlalisana?
Ayangazi mkhulu ngoba mina ngihlala nabazali bami.
Bashadile abazali.
Umama nobaba bashadile.
Hayi. Nkulu. Ngelelela hayi. Ngicela ungakhuluma kakhulu this time around. Hayi. Kusamele ngiyofunda. But
Uzisi mangithi ngiyezwa mina ngahamba ngikhulume nesimo sezinto esihlupha yena wesimo somzimba. Alright? Ugogo kahle into emshaya kakhulu ushawa ilento ekuthiwa experience yomzimba. Umzimba wakhe uyamshintshela these days. She's not understanding what is happening. Yabona? And lento mayenzeka ngaphezulu kwempilo yakhe kuyinto, it's not just the normal hormonal changes ezenzekalayo kumuntu wesifazane. It's not hormonal. It's not into eyenzeka on the basis yokuthi mina ngikhulelwe or sekumele ngabe ngikhulelwe, whatever the case may be, but it's something ezothinta untombi bakhe. It's something ethinta ngisho even menstruation or menstruation cycle, and into ehamba izikhuluma ngesimo sani sesibeletho nezinto zakhe. Kahle usisi mangithi ngiyezwa mina ngahamba ngize ngiyokhuluma ngisho ngesimo ukuthi isingezansi sakhe siyamhlupha kwayisona kwayimanje. Yazi mina mangikhuluma naye ngahamba ngize ngiyofika kwisimo sento sokuthi kunento akayidla ugogo, mayidla lento bese waqala washintsha isimo sezinto zeyinhlanhla zakhe. Lo gogo lona umuntu bekumuntu ubethinta izinto esifike zenzeke, kodwa after a specific or a particular experience eyenzeka ekuba yinto ke eyaqala waphenduka into eziyinhlanhla zakhe. Yazi mina mangithi ngiyezwa mina ngimbona mina ngisho umuntu ohamba kwindawo engathi yisonto yalabantu laba bayibiza ngeinyanga mbombulo, athi mathi uyafika kubona nani ebese kwenzeka izinto zangavuka ngezima endlela ekuyiyona. Kodwa ke ngeke ngize hambe ngize ngiyofika ekujuleni kwendaba ethizeni. Into kahle emshaya kakhulu udadewethu anxiety, ngazi ngizoyichaza kanjani, but into emshaya efika ngathi ngathi kuzobheda, ebese kuyabheda, bese kuvele, and then she starts to blame herself. Hayi athi ngithule mina ngazi lutho, yasi wavele wathi angibheme.
Kodwa phela mkhulu ungakhohlwa.
Nangathi uyakhuluma. Yeah.
Speak.
You can speak.
Mkhulu, ngilalele mkhulu into ezishoyo iqiniso. Ngilalele.
Umangala uthi ungaze laphi lo mkhulu. Athi
Yabona
ngisithu ngesasho
manje
uJesu mina sengithule
inkinga ugogo manje uhamba nesipho mangibheka lesipho sakhe lesi sihamba nogogo kodwa siqhama ngasesayidini la koma wakhe mangabe siqhamuka mina lesipho lesi ngambe ngimbone efaka iduku elimhlophe kodwa efake nento efuna ukuthi ibe nithi igamethi noma yini igamethi bluish in color ngoba lesipho lesi sifuna ukuqhamuka ngohlobo engifuna ukuthi uhlobo lomndawo noma ngifuna ukuthi uhlobo loprofita anyway kodwa umndawo uqhamuka kanjalo ngoba lesimo lesi simo esifuna ukuhamba ngamanzi kodwa indlela usisi awazama ukuyilandela ngayo wayilandela isifuna ukumgulisa noma isifuna ukumhlupha wayijaha
mina bengizosho amagama mina bengizothi mina gogo sibanibani bese ngithi mkhulu sibanibani kodwa ngizosithulela ngoba ngazi lutho
manje gogo lento lena ehamba yami ngiyobheka even inhlanhla zakho uhamba yami uyibona umuntu angenzelwa izinto ngithi mina awukuzama ukuthi mawufuna inhlanhla zakho noma mawufuna izinto zakho yilungu hamba ukuthi uyifuna ngasekhaya koma kunento eshodayo ngale mshadweni kababa noma yeso
Mkhulu ngiyezwa.
ya yabona wegogo siyikhulume lento enentwaso phakathi noma siyeke
Ngicela uyithinte mkhulu.
ya
bamthwasisa umoya ongawona bamthwasisa umoya ongawona
naye mabukwakosi
umoya ongawona
uyothe ufuna siyikhuluma so siyayikhuluma
awona noma bamthwasisa wona
udade ngikutshele mina
Mkhulu angazi ngikuyothwasa.
akazayi ukuthwasa into emshaya
yini pha
kakhulu
wayidlayo indlela enye into
angithi ingakho bengimbuza ukuthi ufuna siyikhulume yini lento noma siyiyeke kahle kahle udade ngikutshele mina mangithi ngiyezwa ngingahamba ngikhuluma ngesimo sokuthi khona la akaye khona ethi uyobheka phela njengomuntu ophilayo emhlabeni yabo athi ngiyobheka nami ngibone ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani ngami mabe ma-advisor ngokwesimo sezinto zakhe bamtshela indaba zokuthi into evela kuyena kahle kahle bamtshela ngalento ekuthiwa isithunya bamtshela isimo somoya ophakeme nani yazi mina mangithi ngiyezwa ngingakhona mina ngingabona ikhaphuli kunekhaphuli ebazibiza ngekhaphuli bathi bangamlekelela kudaba lakhe nantoni yabo kodwa angizili uzokhipha amagama abantu mina la sizosixoxela nosisi siyasixoxela ngithi
Yebo mkhulu.
siyasixoxela okay
Yebo mkhulu.
yeah kahle kahle udaba lalo ilento there's something called a misdiagnosis if we're going to be talking in medical terms or we're talking about misdiagnosis where we look at a situation and then we say this person uphethwe ilento meanwhile when your ancestors have never come to you and told you ukuthi mina I am Gogo Dorothy and mina kitsamaya ka Mdawe. Kina ke mkhulu mang litsamaya ka whatever. You do not know that experience. But whenever you engage with people, they'll come and tell you bathi wena unali matla, unali what. Hey, if ushebile, hey, libona li millions. Libona li nyugu, libona li what, and they sell you dreams on the basis of what they perceive is something great. Wabona? And that is what Marcos is trying to tell you. Marcos is trying to tell you ukuthi wena kahle kahle wena you were misdiagnosed and told ukuthi unalokhu. Meanwhile, that is not the case.
Yebo
Wabona?
mkhulu. Yebo
Hey,
mkhulu.
and but he's getting himself. He just doesn't know the language just yet. Mara, he's trying to tell. He's telling you. He just doesn't know how to tell you. Wabona?
Yes, I do understand.
Hey, wabona? So you don't just be perfect overnight. Wabona?
Yes,
So
I
it
know.
takes time to gradually become better in understanding your own messages now yourself. Kahle kahle, what he's basically trying to tell you is ukuthi even when we had that experience or when it also made you question yourself. As you are still questioning yourself namanje, was it, do I really have this gift? Or kudlalwa ngami? Or did I waste my money or ini? Or am I just a failure? A person who just cannot do anything right because I'm trying this corporate and work thing, nani. I feel like others are doing better than me. Mangithi ngizama the spirituality that side of life, I feel like I'm misunderstanding everything.
True.
Okay. Sengizasithulela ke manje. Angisasho ngolutho mina ne? Yeah. All right. And that's basically what it is, Swam, okay? And
Yes.
that's what Marcos is trying to tell you along those lines. Yes, yes, there is a gift, ne? And there is something that is there. It's just that it's something that you have no clue about at this moment in time in terms of interacting or being interactive with those around you and those that are actually watching over you, which is the same thing that leads to you getting at dreams and communication and still not understanding the meanings behind these things. Why am I seeing myself on top of the ocean? Why am I seeing myself underneath an ocean? Why am I seeing myself sitting with these grandparents that I don't even know? Why am I seeing myself on top of a mountain? Why am I seeing myself flying? Why ngizibona kanje kanti what is happening with me? Nginalinyongo, nginali or arobangloile or ini and you start to have these questions on the basis of not having the answers.
Yes.
I hope I've answered you.
You have truly answered me.
100% ke ne? I discharge.
Ngiyabonga mkhulu. Ngiyabonga.
All right, sige number 1 ke ne? Danko. Sa.
Thank you.
Yeah, Marcos.
Yeah, mkhulu.
Hayi. Into mawuyisho uyisha khona. Inkinga nje it's the ukubeka sometimes ukubeka umlayezo is not easy ne. Delivering a message is not as easy as you may think it is. Yabo. And delivering or landing a message appropriately to the receiver of the message is not always something that can be done easily. Yeah, but it comes with time, it comes with experience, it comes with effort, it comes with loss, it comes with things on the basis of what your own ancestors want.
Of course.
Yeah, so even if you continue saying what you are saying, but it will eventually make sense to you. Baban. So healing is not a joke. Ne? Healing is extremely difficult. Healing is extremely, especially if we are going to be dealing with Msam. Msami yabantu is not a joke here. Ngoba kunabantu imsami yabo engcoliswe ngendlela emangalisayo. And izodinga ukuthi labantu ngesizulu thina sithi uyabanxenxa. Yabo, sibanxenxe labantu ukuze baphume kuphi emgonqweni. Uyayizwa leyo nto, kunento ekuthiwa ukugonqa. Yini ukugonqa? Bese kube khona lento ekuthiwa ukuflathela, yabo. Ukuflathela nokugonqa akufani. Uyayizwa leyo nto. Kunemoya ehleli ekulindeleni, elindele ukusebenza. Kunemoya elindele ukuhlangulwa. Kunemoya elindele ukuhlambululwa. Kunemoya elindele hayi ukuteketiswa kunegama engilifunayo, elindele ukwenzelwa. Yabona? So this thing of healing is not a joke, it's a serious thing and it needs you to know your story. Yabo? Because once you're gonna engage nomsamo omunye umuntu, kunemsamo thintana nabo banemkhokha. They were killing each other. Kwadaleka imkhokha emibi in that family. Wabona? And the abanye banenyama bana yonke lemhlola because the uncle there that passed away ubenemali and manje sibona ukuthi lo amalume mele ukuze sithole le amali yakhe mele sibulale izingane zakhe sibulale umfazi sibulale. There are people that have went through izinto enjalo. There are people that went through into enjalo. This thing is not about, hayi nami ngifuna ukufana nomkhulu. Ngeke ufane nomkhulu. Ngeke uzube yimina. I've been doing this for more than 30 years. I've been doing this my whole fucking life. I've been doing this since I was a youngster. You can't be me. You will never be me. You will never be able to articulate the message the way I do because I do it, not my ancestors, me. You see, indlela yami. It's my experience, just like how you now, Marcos, when you may not see you right now, you are a medical doctor and you're about to do izinto zakho, you are about to branch off and be in your own practice, but you don't understand ukuthi why abadala sebezoziveza manje kuwe. When you are actually doing practicals and when you are actually about to go uzmele, why the hell are they coming now? The answer is there. The proof is within the pudding. What does that tell you? It tells you ukuthi you will then be able to interpret certain messages, not only from those in the living, but those abalele ubuthongo. You'll also get to a point where you are able to articulate certain lessons on the basis of what you've also been learning in your own journey. Yayibona le nto Marcos. So into kanjalo, hayi ukuthi mina sengifuna ukuba njengawe. I'm not a fucking medical doctor. Fuck that shit. Mina, I was in a different corporate world. I was fucking the boss there. I was calling the shots. I know the programming. I know all of these things because I went through it. You see what I mean? And that is where many people get it wrong. You get it wrong. Ngoba umuntu umbuke ngamehlo enyama ubese uthi nami ngifana naloya muntu. Kanti you were not there ubude bendlela. You were not there. You are not there endleleni. See what I mean? So when I engage in these conversations, I'm engaging in conversations, it should actually be sparking a light yakho. Not me, you won't be me. Keep emqondweni wakho lokho. You were never there. You will never ever be there. But it's yours that you need to understand. Ukuthi lihamba kanjani udaba lakho lize lifinyelele la kumele liye khona. That is why you'll always hear me engaging in conversations of you ubuza kuphi emsamo wakho. Kumele ubuze emsamo wakho ngoba mina ngiyena wakini. Angiyena wakini. Once you understand that part, you are 10 steps ahead. But that will tell you ukuthi uma ukhalela into yakamakhelwane uthuka abantu bakini. Mawukhalela into yomfwenu uthuka abantu bakini. Mawukhalela into yomuntu ozwana naye uthuka abantu bakini. That's the problem. That is why we've got so many witches who all of a sudden have a change of heart. That is rubbish. There's no change of heart here. These pieces of shit are trying to recruit. These pieces of shit are going to the churches trying to recruit manje ngoba kuzi Good Friday. They fucking going there with spells. Bafuna uyothwala ngani. Telling you straight here mina ngibasabi phela mina. Ngibasabi mina. They are afraid of me. I'm not afraid of them. They know it. Bafuna uyothwala ngani, bafuna uyotshontsha iphiwo zenu lapha. So you want to do this mawuzohamba uyokuphasika before uye lapha ufike ubike lapha emsamo wakho. Ngiyahamba abadala nani ningivikele lihlale nami njalo. Uyibike indlela oyihambayo. Umuntu ungamniki imali esandleni, ungayenzi leyo nto. Buy whatever they want. Umthengele umnike leyo nto. Rather msendele e-wallet, msendele what ungamnike esandleni imali umuntu. These pieces of shit are trying to recruit for the fucking secret society because they are fucked. They don't have the fucking knowledge. They don't have the fucking knowledge, and they are fucking trying to go and trying ukumasa up imsame abantu. They are scared ukuthi msami abantu have woken up. They are shit scared. Ukuthi ingane zabantu have fucking realized who they are. They are shit scared. Ukuthi they can't lie to you guys anymore. Tell them to keep on pushing me. To keep amagama, man. Danko. Yay! Alright, sike bomakhosi bami sokhuluma nyaso. Sure. Yebo. Let's bounce.